All right, let's take a look at what this woman has to say about the prepping of her house and what kind of experience that has been as she's getting ready for showings.
Nobody talks about how emotionally draining trying to sell your house is. I get so frustrated because like I'll look and like try to get tips on like before a showing and they're like, clean your house, do this, like take your photos off your fridge. And so I literally went down a rabbit hole because we had a showing today on all of these things to do and I did every single one of them, all for a older.
Yeah, there's a lot to do when you're prepping a house, but I would say that like when you do the basic prep, like taking all the things off of the refrigerator, for instance, all the pictures or magnets off of the fridge because it looks better, you should just leave it like that. If that's the way you prepped it for photography, just leave it that way. But let's hear what else she has to say.
Couple to come in my house and stay in here for not even joking you 12 minutes and then leaving and just leaving the comment of it's too old. My house is too old. Like this is my room. Like we don't even have popcorn ceilings. Like I understand like my house was built a while ago, but it's remodeled. It's beautiful in my opinion. If I could literally just pick this house up and move it, I would. But it's so frustrating, especially like I follow a bunch of creators who are like selling their houses and they sell and like they're like posted our house 2 days ago and we've had 4 showings and I'm like I've had 3 showings and my house has been posted for like 200 and something days.
Oh, that's not good.
It's exhausting.
It is exhausting, and that's not good. If the home has been on the market for over 200 days and she's only received 3 showings, I think she said, there's something wrong. Well, here's a good rule of thumb. If your home's been on the market and you received 10 showings within a few weeks and you haven't received an offer, then your home is probably priced too high, regardless of what the feedback is, because of course, we ask for feedback. Sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't from the agents who showed your property. But a good rule of thumb in any market, seller's market, buyer's market, 10 showings, no offers equals the house is probably priced too high. Now, you should have 10 showings within a few weeks in a healthy market. I don't know where this home is, but it sounds like it is grossly overpriced to be on the market for 8 months, roughly 7 months, with 3 showings. And I guess what's weird about this video too is like she's exhausted from straightening up her house, but she's only had to do it 3 times. So something's not right in this. And I guess the other component, which is I see this a lot. She's a bit of an emotional seller, and we're all programmed differently. So I get that. And the feedback could hurt, right? If someone says, "Oh, it looks old or it's dated," well, that can be somewhat of a subjective comment. But buying a home is a very subjective process. So one of the best things you can do if your home is listed for sale, when you read the feedback before you feel your blood pressure spike, just realize that you don't know these people. Who cares? We really just need one person to fall in love with your house. See you soon.